Wow, it is so easy to determine the size of your inverter, your solar panel, and your battery requirements. Hi, this is Oga Solar. We're back with version 2 of our Offgrid Energy calculator. Based on the feedback of our users from last year, we added more appliances that are for homes and commercial purpose. Let's dive right in. Here is a list of the appliances. As you can see, it's more lengthy and long. So let's just pick things randomly. For the sake of this, we're going to do things like TV. So we are using 10 of the TV's daytime usage of that is 5 hours. Night usage is 6 hours. Likewise, we use air conditioner. Let's use air fryer for cooking. Let's say we have 3 in the house. We have 3 hours in the day and 1 at night. And we have air conditioner. Let's go with this. So we have 5. We have 4. And then we have 4 hours during the day, and then we have 6 hours at night. That's just about it. So as you can see, this is the result you'll be having. So you'll be requiring around 25 kVA of inverter setup and up to around 32 kilowatts peak of solar panel. And then the battery you require to run this load is around 155 kilowatt hour if it's talking about lead acid battery, and you'd use a 78.7 kilowatt hour of energy for lithium. Wow, it is so easy to determine the size of your inverter, your solar panel, and your battery requirements. So easy. In less than 1 to 2 minutes, I've been able to decide over this. Life can't be more easier than this. In case where you're finding difficult or hard to understand what this calculator is all about, you can call on this number for more clarification. If you find this video helpful for you, kindly help the channel by subscribing and liking this video. Thank you and have a great day.